Hey friends, today we are going to draw this cheerful code together following the PDF tutorial from my club. Here is what a typical club tutorial looks like. First page, you'll usually see the finished illustration, a short description, a drawing tips, and notes on materials or digital techniques. On the next page, I usually share the photos that inspired me, the story behind them, how I found them, what ideas I took from them, and some of my rough sketches. And final section, a step-by-step drawing guide that shows you exactly how to build the illustration from start to finish. And now, let's get started on our cow. First, I'm going to take the code tutorial and slip it under my paper. I've put 2 copies here on purpose so you can easily see which step I'm working on. You can draw on tablet or with pencil. Today I'm using a pencil so you can see that my club is for everyone. In the club, all my tutorials guide you through very simple shapes, so even if you are not confident in drawing, you can do it. Notice I'm not trying to make perfect lines in one stroke. Let your hand be free. Trace slightly over your lines again and again until you find the right shape. Think of this as a sketch, a base you'll refine later with pen or ink to get those clean lines. At the start, don't worry about small details. We'll add those at the end. Right now, just capture the main shapes and the placement of the eyes, ears, and so on. In the full PDF tutorial available in my club, you'll find not only drawing tips, but also background how I came up with drawing, photos that inspired me and more. And photos for this cow tutorial were really fun. Our basic sketch is done, and now it's time to play with details. If you are drawing digitally, just create a new layer on your sketch and draw clean lines. Since I'm keeping this quick, I'll add details right here in the sketch. I'll be quiet now so you can just watch my process and enjoy how easily a cute drawing can grow out of a simple sketch. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you would like more tutorials like this, come check out my club. Membership costs about as much as a cup of coffee, and besides tutorials, always with cheerful characters, you get lots of tips, videos, sketches from my sketchbook, fun mailings, and more. Thank you guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye.